Top stories. Chief Minister lauds Modi government for taking up various development projects in state. Chief Minister In Biren inaugurates ethnographic gallery. And team of Ministry of External Affairs inspect Indo-Myanmar border. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. It's me Haripriya Tongram presenting today's news, and now let's have the news in details. Chief Minister of Manipur In Biren today launched the subject The Momentum at a solemn function held at Panchayat Bhavan, Porompat. The launching ceremony was jointly organized by Department of Textile, Commerce and Industry and United Bank of India with the objective to encourage the entrepreneurs who are excel in micro, small and medium enterprises. Minister of State for Tourism K.J. Alphonse, Industry Minister T.H. Bishwajit, MP of Rajya Sabha K.S.S. Bhavananda and many distinguished persons attended the launching ceremony. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister In Biren said, due to frequent band and blockades, our state is far behind from development. However, after the Modi government comes to power at the state, many developmental works have been taken up. Besides, Look East policy has been turned into action by changing it to Act East policy.
Family faragadi, individual faragadi, like I village faragadi, district faragadi, state faragadi, then national faragadi. Ado niya micro level na lagwa Prime Minister Modi ji ke mamari vision.
The Chief Minister further said those banks which are not providing loans to the public will be no more deposited government fund. Banks are here to help the poor and needy people. However, those banks which are providing loans to the public will go hand in hand with his government. Chief Minister In Biren added.
Any problem, individual problem
In his speech, Minister of State for Tourism K.J. Alphonse said, Kerala is one of the best tourist spots in India. However, Manipur is not less in that area in comparison with Kerala. Manipur is needed a paradise of art and culture and natural beauties. Therefore, it will be very helpful to develop the state as a tourist spot.
We were at 142nd position in the ease of doing business. In the ease of when doing Modi business came to power. When Modi government came to power in 2014. Today we are at 77. We are at 77, which means there is a jump of.
Chief Minister In Biren has said that history cannot be rewritten or modified. He was attending the inaugural function of Ethnographic Gallery at the Old Assembly Secretariat today. A short film titled History of Manipur Legislative Assembly was also released as a part of the inaugural function. Chief Minister In Biren, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Khemchan, Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar, Works Minister T.H. Bishwajit and Chairman of Hills and Area Committee Thangzalam Haukip were the main guests at the inaugural function. Staffs and officials of the Assembly Secretariat also attended the function. Speaking at the inaugural function, Chief Minister In Biren said the efforts of the state government is trying to restore the documents of the old Assembly Secretariat is indeed a matter of pride. He lauded the Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly and the staff for the great initiative. The Chief Minister further said it is very unfortunate that some vested interests have been trying to modify the history to gain political mileage. However, presence of ethnographic gallery will ensure that the people will not be misled with concocted and modified history.
History amani history se kana gumba khara na history se lana he pudu bi taw Mamagi identity, Ukana Balanga Pada, Mamagi popularity, Tanana Balanga Pada, history is a Kaira Pugata, Madu Sugumba Museum Mama, Sankala Kushina, Madu Bunga Moenalawi.
On the other hand, Speaker Y. Khemsan said the ethnographic gallery has gathered several recovered documents and records gradually. He appealed to the veteran politicians and former members of the All Assembly to submit whatever remains of the state documents in their possession.
Second, no, na museum in archive na si mayam yung mating yaw na niya daw nila si media gi sinaw sina digi political circle na lay biramba kangai sina digi samna si assembly sida all assembly si may sa kramatunda mang yung documents sing kakar pangbali hawre to ang yung sing dala lerambagi leader sing dingay lerambagi madugi sing disu mating bangbiu timbiro o kay wow haybiro ulo bulak sage hadu pahom si ay media gi thong thanbani. Thank you.
A three-member team of Ministry of External Affairs and the Surveyor General of India today inspected the Indo-Myanmar border areas, including various border pillars, around 9:20 a.m. this morning. Joint Secretary of the Ministry of External Affairs, Bangladesh and Myanmar, Bikram Dorai Swami, Joint Secretary of Border Management, A.B. Burma Reddy, and Director of the International Boundary Directorate, S.K. Sinha, led the inspection team from India. It is reported, on the other hand, Deputy Director of General Administration Department, Tamil District, Nantun Yo, led the team from Myanmar. The team of the Ministry of External Affairs reached Moreh on a BSF chopper for the inspection this morning. The team also inspected the border area inside the territory of Myanmar's Tamil. It is reported. The Jiri District Police has started patrolling in Barak and Jiri rivers using high-speed motorboats in order to stop illegal entry of immigrants and smuggling of psychotropic substances that are often brought through the waterway. The government of Manipur has given 2 motorboats to the Jiri police for effective patrolling of the waterway. SP of Jiribam Police, M. Mubi, and additional SP Basulal led the patrolling team patrol from Jiri Mukta, the confluence of the Barak and Jiri rivers, and covered waterway till the border area of the Assam and Manipur. And now let's have a short break. Welcome back. Administrative officers of Fishery Department Nomaithim Rajan has said that Fishery Department is all set to produce about 90,000 kilograms of fish for the coming Ningol Chakawa festival.
Fishery Department will be providing fish at cheaper price for the upcoming Ningol Chakauba festival. In an exclusive conversation with the Tom TV News, Administrative Officer N. Rajan said the department is going to produce more fish comparatively from last year. Last year, the department produced 85,000 kilograms of fish, which is 5,000 kilograms less than this year's produce. He further said the department will also organize a fish fair at DM College NCC ground one day ahead of the Ningol Chakauba. The fish fair will help make different varieties of fish at cheaper rate.
Hanaki ngamela sidai koina tentative koina farmer singi response district fishery officer singi honajaman madu yengaga akoina nga kg lising 90,000 mukti puthokpa haina koina tentative target amadi thamje.
Altogether, 90 stalls with 70 fish farmers will be participating in the fair. Varieties of fishes like katla, rohu, mirgal, kaman carp, grass carp, silver carp, pengba, kabak, ngaton, etc. will be made available to the public at government rate.
Health Minister L. Jayantakumar and CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam flagged off Swasth Bharat Yatra bicycle rally from the western gate of Kangla, heading its way to Kohima through Kangpokpi.
FASAI organized a bicycle rally on the occasion of World Food Day on October 16. The Swachh Bharat Yatra bicycle rally that was flagged off from Agartala reached Imphal today. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar and CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam further flagged off the rally for Kangpokpi from the western gate of Kangla in Imphal. The last leg of the bicycle rally was organized by the State Food Safety Authority Manipur. More than 60 cyclists took part in the rally. Speaking at the flag-off ceremony, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar said, "One must have good behavior, eat healthy and think positive." Moreover, continuing to pursue one's goal requires good health. Cycling contributes in improving one's health and also brings out the sportsmanship quality of a person.
Masay healthy or si nahangi puni paujil karam mongli healthy hoy bunu habida doctor da lak ringai da ki akoi hospital chat ringai da isa se mong ta na isa ki physical condition se isa na ni care log juba aduna cycle thauba ki mang ta anba amsu apabatin jak jaba ada apabatin jak jaba di nutrition value kyang wangi yang ba duga mong ta da bani sa ja da ba aduna haksang bana ko myam luin mo leiba tar gedi. It is quite sure that our nation will come up bigger and more stronger.
On the other hand, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam said youths should eat healthy and engage in sports activities in order to distance themselves from drugs. One cannot forcibly stop a drug abuser from indulging in the bad habit. It would be rather a voluntary act. Sports play a big role in trying to help a person to think away from drugs. As such, one should inculcate the good habit of cycling.
Aina khwaidagi pamjaba hiram amada encourage tawbase masidam ta hanba ai thagatchari. Thank you. Aduna akoi cyclist sing maruoina afaba chinjak chaba afaba hakchang adi thamba asuki matik maru oirakaba matam aduga maruoina adi akoi haror chingsina nisada karida yamba adi wakalon se thadaraba matam sida akoi mioi bana nisa chaba khotpa je akoi masana thingmana tra thingmangamde police na thingmangamde politician na thingmangamde social organization na adu magi mindset sida ki thingakadaba pot amakhakne aduna sumba siga mari lenana apabagi wakalon khalanba sumba thongse asugi mati encourage the way.
One of the cyclists who took part in the rally said, "Riding bicycle is the safest means of transport. Cycling helps in maintaining good health and keeps the environment free of pollution. Since Imphal is not too big a city, it would be a wise step to ride bicycle instead of other mode of conveyance, as it would reduce traffic congestion as well."
All India ki 16 lagi club cycle je cycle do na club thora laga koi jinja apna bacha ji duna na chaba dai de sang je sulu ko me am je ji campaign apna bacha cha ji ha campaign je cyclist 6000 na ki cyclist sing jina saru kya raga Delhi da club thora da bane ba.
To be mentioned, the bicycle rally began its journey from Agartala on October 16 in connection with the World Food Day. The rally proceeded all the way through various places in Mizoram. It reached Jiribam district in Manipur on October 24. The rally further proceeded its journey through Nungba, None, and ultimately reached Imphal on October 31. It is scheduled to converge in New Delhi on January 25 after covering all the way through Kangpokpi, Senapati, Kohima, Dimapur, Karbi Anglong, Hojai, including places of northeast region.
A two-day state-level consultation program on the theme Sexual and Reproductive Health Rights has begun today at Conference Hall of ICM Lamphel-Pat. The program was organized by Human Rights Law Network. Women activist Nonibla Narimbam was the moderator. ASHA workers from Imphal East and Imphal West district and about 100 paralegal volunteers took part in the session. Many resource persons also took part in the program. Speaking to the Tom TV News, Director of Human Rights Law Network, Advocate M. Rakesh said, the government of India is taking up many welfare schemes and measures for women and children. However, it is not sure if they are benefiting from it or not. The aim of organizing the consultation program is to discuss on how to give to women and children their basic rights.
Angang napi ngay aduga adolescent girls sing kari sing masi mayam sigi ko gi welfare gi tungan ba thoram mayam ma pa pa asi ko gi program ni components ni yaw work sing adu ko gi field da ko gi intended beneficiaries sing da madu sapsana yoba hamdabagi khudam chalum ma de matam pun mo thener ga lei asigumba khudum chadaba sing ase masi ko gi legally intervene tawna sapchana praja sina phangan ba yana bai damokta masi thorang pakhet gi saru mo na masi program ka chabani.
The Power Grid Corporation of India Limited NER Jiribam took out a procession in connection with Vigilance Awareness Week on the theme Join Hands Together to Eradicate Corruption. The procession was taken out from IB of Jiribam Forest Gate and converts at Jiribam Higher Secondary School. The procession was flagged off by DGM of Kadamtala Jiribam S. Mani. Participants held placards reading Let's Eradicate Corruption, etc. Six martial arts practitioners have been selected for the 6th International Six Martial Arts Championship 2018 to be held in New Delhi from October 24 to 25. Those who have been selected are Chingambang Bizu, Ningthauzam Sanjoy, Mayang Mayum, Imran, Joychan Moirangthem and Konsam Manglimjao, informed a press release issued by the Manipur Mixed Martial Arts Association. And now let us see newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. LPG price rockets. Subsidy elusive for many. Kangpokpi comes alive to Kut Festival. Chief Minister calls for unity and integrity. Imphal Dimapur Highway cut off. Passengers left in the lurch. Ravish Chanam's death. CBI said no to prop case. YFPHR. The People's Chronicle. Time to abandon hatred. Reconsolidation must. UNLF claims attack. Denies link with Premjit. Others. 13th Indo-Myanmar RBC meet underway. Man behind threat video to Chief Minister held. 1 out of 3 forged Manipur University checks meant for issuing housing loan. Imphal Free Press. Chavangkut celebrated at different districts of state. Birain appeals for forgive and forget to live together in peace. Man who made death threats to Chief Minister arrested by combined police force. Development of state depends on health status of society, says Jayant Kumar. The Morning Bell. Chinkuki Mizo community celebrates Kut with gaiety and fervor. Past is past, let's forgive and forget and live together, appeals Biren Singh. 78th Foundation Day of IPR celebrated. The IPR has improved a lot, says Minister Biswajit, calls for recognition and cooperation. UNLF claims Nagamapal blast but denies role of persons in police custody. Man who threatened to murder Chief Minister arrested.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Chief Minister lauds Modi government for taking up various development projects in state. Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates ethnographic gallery. and team of Ministry of External Affairs inspect Indo-Myanmar border. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur Update.